So I'm Pete Miller, owner and founder of Caravan Coffee here in Newberg, Oregon. And we've been roasting coffee for about 30 years now. And we were at a place that we needed to make our operation, our packaging operation, more efficient to serve our clients. So the experience of choosing Sovda to solve an equipment need we had in our production was different than other experiences I've had with manufacturers of espresso and roasting equipment, in that they really listened to what we needed and they came up with a design that works, and they followed through to the end of placing the machine, installing it, and training our team to use it properly. So it's been a great experience in adding a crucial part of our packaging line that has increased our efficiency and our quality.
My name is Bailey. I'm the packaging lead here at Caravan. Been using the Sovda equipment since January of this year. Sovda was able to create for us a larger holding bin at the top of our wayfill seal, because we usually go through hundreds of pounds of the same coffee a day. So it was really helpful for us to have that larger holding bin in terms of our workflow efficiency.
All of a sudden, we are having less breakage of our coffee. It's loading faster. It's quick to change from 12-ounce bags to 2-pound bags on a run and then back to 12. So it's really increased our speed and, more importantly, our quality. We're getting less breakage. It's more accurate on weighing, and so I'm very pleased with the new setup. We brought in this Sovda Precision Fill as a secondary packaging line. However, we've discovered it's so much faster than our primary line that it is now our primary line. We're again weighing, filling, and sealing coffee faster than we ever have, with better quality.
I'll say the most fulfilling part of my job as a packager is getting to see the coffee day in and day out, having a really close grasp of what each coffee should look like. I would say to anyone considering buying the Sovda equipment, do it. It has helped us so much, especially as a small crew. We're able to really keep a tight track of all the coffee moving through.
If somebody is shopping for a roasting equipment manufacturer and designer, I would highly recommend looking at Sovda. They come with great experience and knowledge of roasting processes, and can really help a person take the next step in efficiency and in quality coffee.